Hi students, in this video we will learn how to setting up survey database and how to save and export the setting of survey database, and if we want to delete our survey database from Civil 3D, then how can we do all of them. So it's exercise number 2.1. You need to open any empty drawing in your AutoCAD Civil 3D. If you have not survey tab, here you can switch on and off from the tool palette. And if you want to learn how can we create new survey database, then you can also watch my first exercise of chapter number 1. For now I have one survey database here, but for your information I can create new So we can create new survey database here. Once you will press OK, here you have new survey database. Then right click and go to edit survey database. Right click and here and on survey database, and here you must need to check Civil 3D project folder should be selected for your survey database, and then press OK. Now we have two survey database, but I will go with new survey database, and here you have edit survey database. Once you will open your survey database setting, then you have units which you can put here. You have also precisions for angle, distance, elevation, which you can put here. So you can use all of these settings as per your company standard or as per your design criteria. So once you have all setting, then you can export here. When you will hover your cursor on any icon in Civil 3D, it will show you what is this about. So here is the export the setting to a file. Click and you can see here we have already one survey database setting. I will delete that. So you can delete any survey database from the folder when you want to delete any survey database, otherwise it will not delete in Civil 3D. So for now I am going to save this survey database. Press save. So now our setting has been saved in survey database. But if you want to close your survey database or you want to delete from here, then how can you do that? Right click on your survey database name, and here you can see close survey database. So you can close your survey database. So you can see here we have not any detail about this survey database, but it's still here in your Civil 3D interface. You can go to your C drive, and here you have Civil 3D projects, then new. So here you have all data about new survey database will be saved. All data when you will work in this survey database, all survey information will be saved here about this project. And so you can see here we have two projects which I was here also in Civil 3D survey tab. So you can delete all of them here if you want to delete and remove from your computer. Then you have also do one thing more to delete them permanently. What is this? You can do Autodesk, and here we have AutoCAD 2019. Here. So you can find that survey tab from here as file which we was saved, and you can delete. You can also use Window Explorer to find that file which we already export from the survey database here. So you can delete them permanently according to these steps. Hope you like this video. For the more information of survey database and for more exploration,